everyone, are you ready to take your cybersecurity knowledge to the next level? Join us on May 15th, 2025, where I'll be running a workshop called Breaking AI. In this workshop, we'll be running a live coding and hacking applications session using generative AI. Throughout the hour, we're going to be looking at how we can use AI in software development and what are the common security risks that we find when you're using AI. We will then build a live app, a coffee shop app in the session, and then we will look at how snyk can help you identify vulnerabilities in that app and how you can also exploit those vulnerabilities. We will then look at how we can build effective strategies to mitigate and fix those AI-generated vulnerabilities. Now, whether you're a seasoned cybersecurity veteran or someone who's looking to enhance their security skills, we think this would be a great opportunity for everyone to come along and join us and discuss how you can work with AI and how you can build a better security strategy when using them. Don't miss out this incredible opportunity. We'll be at the cybersecurity community. Mark your calendars for 15th of May 2025, and we hope to see you there.